All right, guys. Hey, this is Al with ConEquipParts. We are here at the Toronto National Heavy Equipment Show, and we are highlighting right now SANY, which is a brand that come on the scene years ago, and many of you seen it in North America in many different places. I know I keep on seeing it more and more on job sites, and big fleets are transitioning to this product more and more. And I would love to hear of why, from the inside seat. Now this is Michael who's with us. Let's say hello, Michael. He's right from SANY. Tell us a little bit about who you are and what you do for SANY.
Hi guys, this is Michael. I'm the country president of SANY Canada. Basically, I'm running the whole business for SANY here, and we are rooted here in Canada. Why I'm saying that is we came over to do business from another foreign country. But we tend not to be like a offshore brand. We tend to be tuned in. We want to be local. So we established a lot of dealers, local dealers, and SANY also established some rooftops here in GTA. So that's kind of one of our advantage over some of the other brands that built SANY.
Because you are here in Toronto.
We are here. Yeah, we have 3 facilities, one in Vaughan, one in Oakville, and the third one is in Hamilton.
I love that you're down where things are happening, right?
Yes.
And we can reach out to you. People can probably meet you, and hey, I represent SANY, right?
With doors open, come over, yeah.
What I was intrigued about when I first met SANY and start to dig into it, and go to the dealerships and look at the equipment and open up the hood, I noticed that you guys partner with the best brands to make this equipment in the world.
We do.
And what gave you the interest to do that? Like, why?
Well, a lot of people think products made in China would be a little bit of a low class, but things change a lot for the past couple of years. When we built excavators 30 years ago, we thought about long term. It's not about a product that we just throw to the market and don't care about what happened later. So when we start building excavators, we partner with Cummins, we partner with Isuzu, and we partner with Kawasaki, those well-known brands, and build them into our machine. And gradually, when we become more and more known, we also try to promote some of those brands and components inside the machine to show people that we're no low class, no more.
That's right.
And one more feature I want to point out is that China right now is undergoing an era of advanced manufacturing. What that means is like there's no more grunt workers to do those machines manually. Everything you see in the shop, in the factory building those machines are fully automated. There are robots, there are the vehicle transport components, there are the automatic welding systems. So everything else we made to automation.
That's great.
So that increased the quality and also lower the unit cost.
That's really good to hear.
Which provides a huge advantage over other brands.
And that'll transfer in value, quality over to the customers.
Exactly.
I like the way you guys think. Can you maybe tell us a little bit about what we're in front of, which is probably a flagship size excavator?
Yeah.
Okay.
Our bread and butter is the 50-tonner. This one is real best, and it's the best product we sell in Canada here for large excavator class. And it's powered by Cummins engine, as Kawasaki pump, as well as all the hydraulic components and also control systems. What's great is that this excavator can be equipped with the machine control, the 3D grading control, which we're introducing at the ConExpo in the March window. And with all these features, we tend to offer the best-in-class warranty, the best-in-class support, as well as the best-in-class, the whole package.
Yeah, I appreciate that. We've seen that at the ConExpo, so that you mentioned that. Were you at the ConExpo there?
Yes, I was there. Yeah, it was a real blast.
I knew you looked familiar. I might have seen you there. So you hear it right from the source that the quality was first, and the market, which you're talking about in China, even amongst how things are manufactured, has improved to the point where SANY definitely is not just considered, it could be your best choice. And I love to hear that, right? Tell me a little bit about affordability when it comes to how you approach the market right now.
Sure. And so when we approached the market, we thought a lot about the initial equipment acquisition and also the total cost of ownership. So comparing to other brands, I would say we are affordable.
Yes.
And those are only on the machine itself. And this machine, when we deliver to the customer, the bucket is come with the machine.
Oh, really?
We throw it in a bucket for the customer.
Yeah.
And plus, there are a lot of other features that are already built in the machine. You don't have to add on like other brands.
That's great.
So what's more important is the fuel consumption. We have the telematics within the machine. We offer 3-year complimentary.
Really?
If you look at it, it's a built-in there out there for you.
Not an extra.
Nope, not a $0 and more. Okay. And when you test the machine, when you use it for a period of time, you observe the fuel economy is superior.
That's right.
I have real data to demonstrate this over other brands.
Wow. And with the cost of fuel right now, that itself, as you said, the whole life cycle of the machine, you got to really consider the cost over that. It's not just that first initial, but it sounds like you've cared for that first initial cost by giving a lot of features that most people are upgrading anyways. I love to hear that. So you covered all your bases for the life cycle. Now, tell me about parts replacement and how long do you support that? Because that's part of the cost of the life cycle of the machine.
Exactly. That's a very good question. I know when your machine is down, you will need it right away to get back on. And you need a part, you need a service technician to fix it, and all those supports. They are so crucial for you. And SANY Canada built a parts warehouse in Oakville, stocking over $20 million parts sitting on the ground that can do overnight shipment for any urgency or stock parts or over a couple of days. So by doing that, SANY is committed to supporting customers with those parts replacement as well as some of the service as well.
I understand. How many years do you think have you projected to support your machines after initial purchase? Do you have a target of a sweet spot? Because I know there is, and I know I'm asking you something you might not want to commit to, but is there something you would commit to of decades or 10, 15, 20? I'm curious.
Very good question. So this excavator comes with a 5-year, 5,000 hour warranty. So you are covered 5 years at least.
Yeah.
And then over 5 years, we have dealers, we have our product support supporting as long as you can. But I would say that if you keep using that until like 10,000 hours, even 20,000 hours, the engine does last for 20,000 hours or more. Okay. So when you keep using that, don't worry about anything.
You'll be supported.
Absolutely.
You know what's funny? We actually sell parts as well.
Oh yeah.
Yep. And so I'm always thinking about parts longevity, and the life cycle of machines don't end with the first owner, right? Yeah. You want to continue them for the second owner and the third owner
until the end of the life.
That's great. And the fact that SANY has chosen common and very high quality partners.
Yes.
That means you can really have a longevity past second and third owners. So I like the way you guys think. All right, cool. Do you have anything you want to add that you might want everyone to know about SANY?
Well, the last comment I want to make is SANY Canada is serious about our business. I just mentioned machine quality, warranty, product support, so on and so forth. But there's one thing I definitely want to bring up is the zero emission electrification. SANY China, they are all in the electrification.
Okay.
For every single model, SANY will have electrified model.
Really?
Comparable. So in future, you will see some SANY electric machines, and we're more than welcome to have you test and feedback.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, look into that, guys. That's really exciting to hear. They're on the cutting edge as well. And I like how you said every model available will have that option.
Yes.
Because it is a choice, right? And it's going to have to be the consumers that choose this whole thing.
Yeah.
Right? And I appreciate your time, Michael. You have been a great interview.
Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah.
Thank you for the support.
All right. Hey, that's Al from ConEquip with Michael at SANY and Canada. Hey, go check them out, man. Thanks for joining us at the Toronto National Heavy Equipment Show.